It's okay. Roland, go over here to this side, Roland. I'm lifting up the power pole. Power pole's up.
He's coming this way. He's coming
Roland.
this way, Roland. Yeah,
I don't want to mess up like I did last time.
Here, let me get it.
well, standing behind her is not gonna help, sir.
Now walk backwards a little bit. Take your time. Take it. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Who's Roger? These in the water still. Oh shit! I gotta get this pole. Ah, damn it. Hang on. Walk him that way. Let me get this pole out of the way. Let me get this pole out of the way. No. Wait. Stop. Just stop. Let me get here. Here, grab this.
There goes Roland.
Roland, go over there. Roland, go over there.
Don't.
Just take your time. I got all the poles up. We're good.
He's right here.
Wait.
He broke the fucking thing. He broke it. Wait. Help him, man.
Well, hold on, big chill. Oh my god, I can't even. This is gonna be funny. We're gonna hear this shit.
Yeah, we are.
I'm
Because-
sorry, but
Oh my god, y'all go too crazy.